Welcome to the dawn of a new creative era. Today, we're not just talking about artificial intelligence that analyzes data or predicts trends. We're entering a world where AI can actually create. Imagine machines that don't just crunch numbers, but write stories, compose music, and generate images from scratch. This shift is transforming how we interact with technology, making it more collaborative and imaginative than ever before. In this video, we'll explore the building blocks of this revolution, from generative AI to the latest multimodal models. Let's dive into the future of creativity powered by AI. Generative AI is a fascinating branch of artificial intelligence focused on creating new, original content. Unlike traditional AI, which might help you filter spam or predict the weather, generative AI takes your prompts and produces entirely new text, code, images, audio, video, or even 3D models. The results often feel like they were crafted by a human. This technology is opening doors for artists, writers, and creators of all kinds, making it possible to bring ideas to life in ways we never imagined before. Now let's talk about large language models, or LLMs. These are specialized generative AI systems trained on massive amounts of text. Think books, articles, websites, and even code. Built using the transformer architecture, LLMs contain billions of parameters, which means they can understand context, write essays, translate languages, and even hold conversations that feel natural. Their ability to process and generate human-like text is what powers many of today's most advanced AI tools. ChatGPT is one of the most popular examples of an LLM in action. Think of it as a supercharged version of predictive text on your phone. When you give ChatGPT a prompt, it doesn't search a database for answers. Instead, it uses statistical probabilities learned during training to predict the most logical next word, one at a time, based on everything written so far. This allows for fluid, context-aware conversations that feel surprisingly human, even though the AI isn't actually thinking or understanding in the way we do. Interacting with generative AI is a bit like being a director giving instructions to an actor. The way you phrase your input, called a prompt, shapes how the AI responds. Whether you're asking for a poem, a business plan, or a piece of code, the prompt is your way of getting the AI's creativity. This dynamic makes working with AI a truly collaborative process, where your instructions set the stage for what the machine creates. Prompt is simply the input, instruction, or question you give to a generative AI model. It could be as straightforward as write a poem about a robot, or as complex as a detailed business strategy with specific constraints. The prompt tells the AI what you want it to do, and the quality of your prompt often determines the quality of the AI's response. Crafting clear, specific prompts is a key skill for getting the most out of generative AI. Prompt engineering is both an art and a science. It's all about structuring, phrasing, and optimizing your prompt to get the highest quality, most accurate response from an AI. Because large language models are sensitive to language nuances, even a small change, like adding a specific style or constraint, can completely shift how the AI interprets your request. Mastering prompt engineering unlocks the full creative power of generative AI. You interact with an LLM, it doesn't read words the way humans do. Instead, it reads tokens, chunks of characters that might be a whole word, part of a word, or even just a punctuation mark. In English, one token is roughly 4 characters, or about 3/4 of a word. Tokens are important because they determine how much information the AI can process at once, and they're also how companies measure and charge for AI usage. See tokens in action. When you type a prompt, the AI breaks it down into tokens. For example, the word cat is one token, but unbelievable might be split into several. This system helps the AI process language efficiently, but it also means that longer prompts or responses use more tokens. Understanding tokens helps you manage your interactions with AI, especially if you're working with limited resources or need to optimize for cost. AI models start with general knowledge, but sometimes you need them to become experts in a specific area. That's where fine-tuning comes in. By training a base model on a smaller, specialized dataset, like thousands of legal contracts, you can turn a general-purpose AI into a legal review assistant or a medical expert. Fine-tuning customizes the AI's abilities, making it more useful for targeted tasks. Fine-tuning is the process of taking a pre-trained large language model and giving it extra training on a specialized dataset. This additional training helps the AI become an expert in a particular field or task. For example, you might fine-tune a general LLM with thousands of legal documents so it can review contracts more accurately. Fine-tuning is like giving the AI a specialized degree, making it more effective for specific jobs. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, is a powerful framework that lets AI models look up external data in real time before answering your prompt. Instead of relying only on what the AI memorized during training, a RAG system can search private databases or documents, grab the most relevant facts, and use them to generate accurate, up-to-date answers. This makes AI much more reliable for tasks that require current or specialized information. Think of fine-tuning as giving your AI a specialized degree, while RAG is like letting it bring an open textbook to the exam. Fine-tuning makes the AI an expert in a field, but RAG allows it to access the latest information as needed. This combination means you can have an AI that's both knowledgeable and up-to-date, making it a powerful tool for business, research, and creative projects. As powerful as generative AI models are, they have their quirks. One of the biggest challenges is making sure the information they generate is accurate and reliable. This is where grounding reality comes in, ensuring that AI outputs are based on real facts, not just plausible-sounding language. Understanding these limitations helps us use AI more effectively and responsibly. AI hallucinations happen when a language model confidently generates information that's factually incorrect, invents statistics, or cites sources that don't exist. This occurs because LLMs are designed to prioritize sounding correct over being correct. They don't actually know what's true, they just predict what seems right based on patterns in their training data. It's important to double-check AI-generated content, especially for critical tasks. Latest generation of AI models can handle more than just text. Multimodal AI systems can process, understand, and generate multiple types of data, like text, images, audio, and video, all at once. Imagine uploading a photo of your broken sink, describing the problem with your voice, and getting a step-by-step written guide on how to fix it. Multimodal AI is making technology more flexible and accessible than ever. You're witnessing a creative shift where AI is no longer just a tool for analysis, but a partner in creation. From generating artwork to composing music, generative AI is expanding the boundaries of what's possible. This technology is empowering people to experiment, innovate, and express themselves in new ways, regardless of their technical background. Generative AI bridges the gap between raw data and human imagination. By learning from vast amounts of information, these models can create content that feels authentic and original. Whether you're a writer, designer, or entrepreneur, generative AI offers new tools to bring your ideas to life, making creativity more accessible to everyone. Working with generative AI is a collaborative process. You provide the vision and direction through your prompts, and the AI brings those ideas to life. This partnership allows for rapid prototyping, brainstorming, and creative exploration, making it easier to iterate and refine your projects. Where you craft your prompts can unlock new levels of creativity. By experimenting with different instructions, styles, and constraints, you can guide the AI to produce unique and unexpected results. Prompt engineering isn't just about getting accurate answers, it's also about exploring the creative potential of AI. Language is at the heart of generative AI. The words and phrases you use in your prompts shape the AI's understanding and output. By mastering the nuances of language, you can communicate more effectively with AI models and achieve better results in your creative projects. Optimizing your prompts is key to getting the best performance from generative AI. Try rephrasing questions, adding context, or specifying the desired format to see how the AI's responses change. Small tweaks can make a big difference in the quality and relevance of the output. Every interaction with an LLM is measured in tokens, which affects how much information you can include in a prompt or receive in a response. Being aware of token limits helps you plan your interactions, especially for longer or more complex tasks. Efficient use of tokens ensures you get the most value from your AI experience. Fine-tuning allows you to specialize in AI model's skills for a particular domain. Whether it's legal, medical, or creative writing, fine-tuned models deliver more accurate and relevant results for specialized tasks. This customization makes AI a valuable asset in professional and creative fields. Retrieval-augmented generation gives AI access to real-time knowledge. By searching external databases or documents, RAG systems provide up-to-date answers that go beyond the AI's original training. This approach is especially useful for industries where information changes rapidly, like finance or healthcare. Combining fine-tuning and RAG creates a balance between deep expertise and real-time access to information. This hybrid approach ensures that AI models are both knowledgeable and current, making them more reliable and versatile for a wide range of applications. No AI is perfect. Generative models can make mistakes, especially when asked about topics outside their training data or when generating complex information. Recognizing these limitations helps you use AI more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls in your projects. Because AI models can hallucinate or generate plausible-sounding but incorrect information, it's important to fact-check their outputs. Always verify critical details, especially for professional or academic work. This extra step ensures the reliability and accuracy of your results. Multimodal AI models are expanding what's possible with artificial intelligence. By processing text, images, audio, and video together, these systems can tackle more complex tasks and provide richer, more interactive experiences. The future of AI is multimodal, blending different types of data for smarter solutions. Imagine using a multimodal AI to diagnose a problem with your car. You upload a photo, describe the issue with your voice, and receive a detailed repair guide. These practical applications are making AI more useful in everyday life, from home repairs to creative projects and beyond. Generative AI is evolving rapidly, with new models and features emerging all the time. As these technologies become more advanced, they'll continue to reshape how we create, communicate, and solve problems. Staying informed about the latest developments helps you make the most of these powerful tools. With great power comes great responsibility. As generative AI becomes more capable, it's important to use these tools ethically and thoughtfully. Consider the impact of your creations, respect privacy and copyright, and always strive for accuracy and fairness in your work. Generative AI is already making its way into everyday life. From smart assistants that write emails to creative tools that generate art and music, these technologies are becoming part of our daily routines. As they become more accessible, expect to see even more innovative uses in the near future. AI models are constantly learning and adapting as they're exposed to new data and tasks. This ongoing evolution means that generative AI will keep improving, offering better performance and more creative possibilities over time. Staying curious and open to experimentation is the best way to harness this potential. Even as AI becomes more creative, the human touch remains essential. Your ideas, values, and vision guide the technology, ensuring that the results are meaningful and impactful. Generative AI is a tool for amplifying human creativity, not replacing it. Businesses and creators are using generative AI to drive innovation. From automating routine tasks to generating new ideas and solutions, AI is helping organizations stay competitive and creative. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Generative AI encourages creative exploration by making it easy to experiment with different ideas and formats. Whether you're writing a story, designing a logo, or composing music, AI can help you brainstorm, iterate, and refine your work faster than ever. Most exciting advances in generative AI come from collaboration between humans and machines. By combining your creativity with AI's capabilities, you can achieve results that neither could accomplish alone. This partnership is at the heart of the new era of creativity. The field of generative AI is moving fast. Staying informed about new models, techniques, and best practices ensures you're always ready to take advantage of the latest advancements. Follow trusted sources, join communities, and keep learning to stay ahead. Generative AI is a powerful companion on your creative journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push the boundaries of your field, these tools offer endless opportunities for growth and discovery. Embrace the possibilities and see where your imagination takes you. As we look ahead, the future of generative AI is bright and full of potential. With ongoing advancements in multimodal models, prompt engineering, and real-time data access, we're only beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. Stay curious and keep exploring. Let's recap what we've covered. Generative AI creates new content, LLMs understand and generate language, prompt engineering shapes AI behavior, tokens measure interactions, fine-tuning and RAG upgrade AI's abilities, and multimodal models expand what AI can do. Together, these concepts form the foundation of the new era of creativity. We're living through a creative revolution powered by AI. These technologies are changing how we work, create, and communicate. By understanding and embracing generative AI, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of this exciting transformation. Ready to take the next step? Start experimenting with generative AI tools, practice prompt engineering, and explore the possibilities of multimodal models. The more you engage with these technologies, the more you'll discover what's possible for your own creative projects. That wraps up our journey through the incredible, fast-moving landscape of generative AI and large language models. We've explored how these models predict words, the tricks of prompt engineering, and the game-changing power of multimodal AI. Stay tuned for more insights in our next video. See you soon.